How to add a search bar in Wix. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a search bar in Wix. Let's get started. First, head over to your Wix dashboard and click Edit Site to open the Wix Editor. Once inside the editor, decide where you want to place the search bar on your page. Now, on the left-hand side, click the Add button, then choose Add Elements. In the search bar, at the top of the panel, type Search and you will see an option called Site Search. Under the Search section, click the plus icon next to Site Search to add it to your page. The search bar will now appear on your site. You can drag it to position it where you want and resize it as needed. Once you're happy with the placement and settings, click Publish at the top right to save your changes and make the search bar live on your website. And that's it. You have successfully added a search bar to your Wix website. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.